Marianda.
My name is Amanda Champagne.
My name is Adeyin Kalawa.
I am a cable tech supervisor.
An SEO specialist.
I'm a network administrator.
I came from working actually 2 jobs.
I worked at a company that was based on education, definitely different than manufacturing.
I was born in Nigeria. I saw the opportunity to become a network administrator and I come to Loos & Company.
I saw there was a community outreach type program and that was something that I look for. I like to be in something that gives back to people, so that just piqued my interest more.
I believe what I'm doing is very, very important. If the email is not working, there is not going to be any sales email for people to manufacture stuff, and if people cannot manufacture stuff, if they cannot make the wires that we make, the plane can be grounded. The lives of some people can be very, very at stake.
Not only do I get to work with my team on both shifts, we get to help out our sister and brother locations. We get to help interdepartmentally as well.
What I'm doing here is it may be small, but it's bigger.
CWI acquired Loos & Company prior to my coming on board. However, there have been changes that have been made since I started, and I think they've all been good changes.
I've been given a lot of opportunities to grow my skills.
When we hire a new employee, we give them time to acclimate into the system. We train them.
Processes have been standardized across not just departments, but sites, as well as increases in pay for individuals and changes to policies.
Loos donates to different organizations. They also do many other community outreach activities.
Loos gave me the opportunity to use the training that I have, and I am using it effectively, and I'm able to use it to solve one of the Exchange server problem that we had.
I manage 13 websites. I think as an SEO person and bringing on board my SEO skills, I think I've been able to modernize the way we promote our website. We definitely outpace the competition with digital marketing.
The biggest challenge that I've had coming on to Loos & Company is learning something that I've never had been exposed to, being wire, cable, and rope. But I'm slowly getting the hang of what it is that we manufacture, how it's manufactured, and why it's manufactured the way it is.
What keeps me coming in every day is learning more in my field, and that's something that I wanted to dive in more as a SEO specialist.
I think Loos & Company is a good company. It feels right. I give kind of place for me to learn more and grow in my experience. They say the greatest investment someone can have is investment in yourself and your experience. So wherever you go, you take that with you.
If you're looking to start a career or expand your career, Loos is the company for you. At Loos & Company, we're the new face of manufacturing.